and today we're talking about parenting without fear. When you discipline your child, what comes to mind? Do you discipline out of fear, which is why you want to gain control over the child? Or do you discipline because you have put systems in place, which is coming from the place of putting teachings and necessary structures in place? Discipline is not beating, it's not punishment, it's not resentment, it's not yelling. Discipline is structure, discipline is systems you have put in place. It is the teachings that you have put in place for your child to become. The next time your child does something very nasty, you want to take a pause and decide to think through the process by asking yourself, what can I do better? There will always be a feedback to you in your parenting at different moments in your journey. But one thing you must do is to use it as a learning moment. An intentional parent thinks through this parenting journey. They don't take a rational decision. They decide to think through it and bring solutions, because discipline is not an emergency. So when your child does something very nasty, sit down, think through the situation, and decide to bring solutions afterwards. Putting systems into that gap that you see exist in your parenting journey, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you some other time. Have a nice day.